Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. So students, in our last two previous session of computer class, we have done the chapter, the revision part we have done, the explanation I have given to you. Okay, so we have already discussed the first chapter in the computer class during the Friday and Saturday. Okay, so I have given you the explanation as well. So today we are going to start with the question answers of the same chapter. Okay, so now before starting with the question answers, I will start with the back exercise that is given here. Okay, so this is given at page number 7 of your computer books. Okay, so first of all, how you are going to write the chapter, how you are going to start the chapter. Okay, so this back exercise like MCQs. Okay, so you need to do the question answers only in your notebooks, but जो MCQs हैं, true false, blanks, matching, all these things you can do in your book only. ठीक है, but the question answers you need to do in your notebooks. So here I am starting with chapter number, that is chapter number 1. That is chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is History of Computer. So this is the chapter, that is History of Computer. So the explanation part, the discussion part we have already done in our last two sessions. Today I am going to start with the back exercise. So in the back exercise, the first thing that is given here is that is MCQs. So MCQs are given first, so I am going to start with it. Okay, so the first MCQ that is given here is the first calculating device was. So which was the first calculating device? This is the first, that is MCQs. The first calculating device. The first calculating device was. सबसे पहला calculating device क्या था? Okay, so if you remember that in the chapter we have discussed, the first calculating device was abacus. So abacus जो था वो सबसे पहला calculating device था. So that is given at option number B. So we have decided that is abacus. Answer is option number B, that is abacus. So the first calculating device was abacus. Okay. Second MCQ is, देखिए जितने भी questions हैं, they all are related to the discussion that we have done in the class. Second is Napier's bones was developed in. Napier's bones, that is Napier's bone was developed in. Napier's bones was developed in. Napier bones बेटा वो कब develop हुआ था? Okay. So first thing is what is Napier bone? So Napier bone क्या है बेटा? Napier bones is also a calculating device. Okay, and it was developed in the year 1670. So Napier bones was another calculating device. Okay, that was developed by John Napier in the year 1617. That is option number B. So the answer of the second one is also B. That is 1617. 1617. So the Napier bone was developed in the year 1617. Third one. The third was the calculating device developed by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. Okay. The calculating device developed developed by the calculating device developed by, the name of the person is Gottfried, Gottfried, इनका नाम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, so can you remember his name? Gottfried Wilhelm, Wilhelm von von Leibniz, Leibniz. Okay, so Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, इन्होंने भी एक कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस डेवलप किया था. So what was the name of that device? So the options are Maskelyne, Mark First, or Step Reckoner. So the answer is, that is option number C, that is Step Reckoner. Option number C, that is Step Reckoner. Reckoner. Step Reckoner. So Step Reckoner was the calculating device that was developed by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. So these are the answers for the first three MCQs. Okay, answer of the first is, the first calculating device was abacus. सबसे पहला calculating device कौन सा था? Abacus. Napier bones were developed in. So here they have asked about us the year. The year was 1617. Third is the calculating device developed by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. तो Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz ने कौन से calculating device introduce किया था? That is Step Reckoner. Clear? This is the answer of the third. चलिए, moving next to the fourth one. The fourth MCQ that is given in the book is, Dash is known as the father of computer. That is, Dash is known as father of computer. Father of computer किसे कहा जाता है? This is the question. So who is known as the father of computer? So the answer for this is, that is Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. That is option number A. That is Charles Babbage. Babbage. That is Charles Babbage. Okay. Option number A, Charles Babbage. So देखिए, Charles Babbage को फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर कहा जाता है. आपको अगर याद होगा तो उन्होंने जो 5 की फीचर्स, ओके, सो ही हैज वर्कड ऑन द एनालिटिकल इंजन with the 5 key features of storage, input, output devices, and 2 more over there, processing and controlling. ओके, सो इन 5 की फीचर्स के ऊपर उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था वर्क, जो कि आज के टाइम पे, दैट इज ऑन विच ऑन इन दीज 5 की फीचर्स, जो कि आज के टाइम पे जो हम कंप्यूटर्स हम यूज कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वर्किंग ऑन. ओके, सो दीज आर द 5 की फीचर्स जो कि किसने बनाया था? दैट वाज गिवन बाय द चार्ल्स बैबेज. इसीलिए उनको फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर कहा जाता है. सो चार्ल्स बैबेज, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ओके, मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द फिफ्थ. The fifth is, the first electromechanical computer was. So what is the name of the first electromechanical computer? Okay, so सबसे पहला electromechanical computer was Mark First. Okay, so first electromechanical computer was Mark First. first electromechanical mechanical computer. So the first electromechanical computer was, what is the answer? That is option number C. The answer is option number C, that is Mark First. That is Mark First. Mark First is the first electromechanical computer. Okay. Dash is known as the father of computer, that is Charles Babbage. Second is the first electromechanical computer was Mark First. That is Mark First. Clear? So this is the answer of the fifth. Moving next to the sixth, the last MCQ. Okay. So PC Act was introduced in. So what is PC Act? PC Act is Personal Computer Advanced Technology. So किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? So personal computers advanced technology was introduced by the IBM, International Business Machine, nowadays one of the leading companies in the world. Okay, so इन्होंने जब PCs introduce किए थे for the home users. Okay, so when they have introduced it, so they have introduced this PC Act in the year 1894. So they have introduced these computers, okay, in the 1894. So the question was, the PC Act was introduced in, कब इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था? So PC Act was introduced in the year, that is option number A, 1984. That is option number A, that is 1984. And these PTP, personal computers, were introduced by IBM, the International Business Machine, one of the leading companies. Okay, so PC Act was introduced in the year 1984. Okay, so these are the answers for the MCQs. The answer for the first is C, second is C again, third is, the answer of the first is B, the answer of second is B, answer of third is C, answer of fourth is A, fifth is C, that is Mark First, and the last is option number A, that is 1984. Chale. So this is the MCQs from the book we have done. Okay, so the next is the question answers that are given here. So now we are going to start with the question answers. Okay, so let's begin with the question answers. Okay, so you need to write the questions with the black pen, and then you are going to write the answers using your blue. Class 4. So you are going to write the question and answers board. Okay, sorry, I thought this is class 5. So you need to write down the question and answers with the pencil, and you are going to write the question as well. तो आप questions भी लिखेंगे, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ answers. You are going to write the questions. उससे क्या होगा बेटा? Then you will come to the question. जब तक आपको पता नहीं होगा, then you will not be able to learn the answers. So question answers साथ में लिखेंगे ताकि learning के time पे आपके लिए easy होगा. Okay. So first is, now we are starting with the question answers. So now we are starting with the question answers. So the answer number 1, I'm here writing. The question number 1 is, how did early men count? Okay, so nowadays we are having the computers and calculators with us. Okay, but पहले ज़माने में जो early men थे उनके पास कोई भी computer या calculators नहीं थे. तो how they used to count, कैसे count करते थे? अगर आपको याद होगा, मैंने आपको बताया था, the early men used to count with their fingers of hand, with their toes, pebbles, sticks, bones. So all these means they used to count. Okay, so the early men used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, toes, etc. So these are the means through which they make the calculations. Okay, so देखिए early man, early EARMA, EARY, early. So don't forget to write the proper spellings. Spelling should be correct. Early man used to count with the help of with early man used to count with the help of. So what were the different means through which they used to count? That is stones, छोटे-छोटे पत्थर, pebbles, PEBBLES, pebbles. Third is bones, हड्डियाँ, BONES, bones. Sticks, STICKS, sticks. Okay, kindly write the correct spellings. Fingers, 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 and toes, etc. Okay. So पुराने जमाने में how people they used to count? So the early man used to count. Okay, sorry, here I have just forgot the one word. Used to count. COUNT. Count with. Early man used to count with. वो किससे count करते थे? They used to count with the help of. So different means they used to count was stones, पत्थर, pebbles जो छोटे पत्थर होते हैं उनको pebbles बोलते हैं, bones हड्डियाँ, sticks डंडे छोटे लकड़ियाँ, fingers, okay we are having the fingers and the toes जो पैर के होते हैं जो fingers होते हैं उनको toes बोलते हैं. So these are the all means that they used to count to do the calculations. Clear? चलिए. Now moving next to the question number 2. The question number 2 is, which was the first calculating device? When and by whom was it developed? तो सबसे पहला calculating device क्या था? So the first calculating device was abacus. Okay, the first calculating device was abacus, and second is when and by whom it was developed. कब और किसने किया था? So it was developed near about 5,000 years ago. So आज से 5,000 साल पहले so this abacus was developed, and this was developed by the Chinese. So Chinese लोगों ने develop किया था. लोगों ने मतलब किसी particular person ने that belong to the China. Okay, so no one is aware of the name of the person who has developed. Okay, but it is being said that this abacus was the first calculating device, and it was developed by the Chinese near about 5,000 years ago. That is question is पहले when मतलब 5,000 years ago and by whom, then by Chinese. Okay, so let's write down the question number 2. So this is answer number 1. You can pause the video here and write down the answers. So I have written a kindly मैंने बड़ी spellings लिखी हैं ताकि आप spelling mistakes ना करें. चलिए, next is answer number 2. The answer number is 2. Answer 2 is, so which was the first calculating device? That was abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. Abacus was the first calculating device. Okay. उसके बाद by whom and when and by whom it was invented, comma, invented, okay, sorry, comma कहते हैं, full stop के साथ ही पूरा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, and we are going to write the answers after the full stop. So abacus was the first calculating device, full stop. It was invented, कब उसका इन्वेंशन हुआ था? It was invented about, it was invented about how many years ago? 5,000 years ago. Okay, question was when it was invented. So it was invented 5,000 years ago, and by whom? By whom भी पूछा है? By the Chinese. By the Chinese. The capital of C will be the capital, that is Chinese. Okay. So abacus was the first calculating device. It was invented about 5,000 years ago by the Chinese. Okay, तो Chinese लोग थे, कोई Chinese था, उन्होंने abacus को डेवलप किया था. Okay, so this abacus was the first calculating device. Okay, so this is the answer of the second question. You can pause it here and note it down in the notebook. Abacus was the first calculating device. Full stop. It was invented, invented, invented about 5,000 years ago by the Chinese. Okay. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 3. Okay. So let's move to the next question or next answer. That is 3. The third is, what was the Pascaline consist of? जो Pascaline था, that was also a calculating device. Pascaline was also a calculating device, but वो किस चीज से बना हुआ था और वो कैसा बना हुआ था? Okay, so Pascaline किसने इन्वेंट किया? सबसे पहले the Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. Okay, so Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal, and it consists of a box with a movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers very easily. तो ये एक बॉक्स का बना हुआ था, रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स, जिसमें कि गियर्स थे, छोटे छोटे गियर्स बने हुए थे. ओके, एंड जिससे कि दैट इट इज यूज फॉर डूइंग द बेसिक फंडामेंटल कैलकुलेशंस ऑफ एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. क्लियर? सो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ हमारे पास, what was Pascaline consisted of? So Pascaline was consisted of, so we will start with the answer question only. Pascaline, Pascaline, Pascaline was consisted of, Pascaline was consisted of, consisted is spelling CONSISTED. So Pascaline was consisted of, consisted CONSISTED. Pascaline was consisted of a box. Pascaline was consisted of a box with movable gears, GEARS. So Pascaline consisted of a box with movable gears. इसके अंदर मूव करने वाले gears थे. Okay, that could add, that could add could add comma, subtract, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T, subtract, that could add, subtract, multiply and divide, M-U-L-T-I, multiply and divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide, that could subtract, multiply and divide the numbers easily. The numbers very easy, very easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easy. So the Pascaline कौन था? That was a calculating device. So the Pascaline was a calculating device and it was invented by Blaise Pascal. वो था किस चीज का बना हुआ? It was consisted of a box with movable gears. So in that Pascaline there are movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers very easily. और जिससे they can perform the whole basic mathematical operations किए जा सकते थे, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these 4 mathematical basic operations can be performed on it, and that's a calculating device invented by Blaise Pascal. Okay, so this is the answer of the third question. You can pause the video here and note it down in the notes. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 4. Next we are moving to question number 4. The question number 4 is, who is known as the father of computer? तो देखिए अभी हमने MCQ में भी किया था. So who is known as the father of computer? That is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. तो Charles Babbage को father of computer कहा जाता है. Reason because he has given the 5 key features on the principles of which the computer was introduced. Basically जिस 5 principles, उनके जो 5 key features जो उन्होंने दिए थे जिसके ऊपर आज के computers जो बन रहे हैं और चल रहे हैं. Okay, and those 5 key features were given by Charles Babbage, and that is the reason why he is known as the father of computer. Question was, who is known as the father of computer? The answer is Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Answer for the 4th is Charles, C-H-A-R-L-E-S, Charles Babbage, B-A-B-B-A-G-E, B-A-B-B-A-G, Charles Babbage is known as, उनको कहा जाता known as the father of computer. The father, capital F-A-T-H-E-R. Okay, father of the computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. So this is the answer for the 4th question from the book. Okay, question था कि father of computer किसे बोला जाता है? So that is Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage has given the 5 basic key features on which the concept of computer work. Okay, and that was given by Charles Babbage. Okay, so that's why he is known as the father of computers. Okay, so this is up to question number 4 that we have done in the session. So rest of the questions we are going to do in the next session. Okay, and make sure that you do all the questions in the notebooks in a proper, clear and good handwriting with the help of a sharp pencil. देखिए बेटा जब फ्यूचर में कॉपीज चेक करने आए तो क्या कई बच्चे बहुत ही लाइट पेंसिल से काम करते हैं कि तब तक वो इरेज हो जाता है, एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू चेक इट एंड इवन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू लर्न फ्रॉम देयर. सो काइंडली मेक श्योर कि the work should be in a proper way and in a proper and good handwriting and with the help of a dark pencil only. Clear? So with this, I'm just running into the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon. So till then, everybody have a great day.